What's going on? All right, go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Jalen Reagor, Darnell Mooney, turbocharged Adrian Peterson, and Chase Claypool. Nick Chubb, Max Crosby, Hot Stars Michael Thomas, and Carson Wentz. Antonio Gandy Golden, Denzel Mims, Silver Keyshawn Vaughn, and DeAndre Hopkins. Let's be in here real quick. Juju, Darrington Evans, Breakable Kurt Warner, Keyshawn Vaughn. Joe Reed. Here we go. Justin Herbert. White Ross Blacklock. And DeAndre Swift. Always nice seeing a Herbert in the first box. Cam Akers, Jacob Eason, Certified LaVisca, and Mahomes. Jared Goff, Antonio Gibson, turbocharged Herbert, Derek Brown. Claypool, J.K. Dobbins, Silver James Morgan, Daniel Jones. I have an Optics Cello break for tomorrow. Have a Prism basketball break tomorrow. This is the last of the select I have right now. Gonna try to get some more. Drew Lock, DeAndre Swift, Hot Stars, Aaron Rodgers. And first Tua. DeAndre Swift, Joshua Kelly, Jalen Reagor, and Justin Jefferson. I have to figure out why it's saying I can't ship to Canada. That's really throwing me off. James Morgan, Derek Brown, Unbreakable LaDainian, and T. Higgins. I don't know, maybe I circumvented the system too many times and they caught on. Derrick Henry, Tommy Stevens, Silver Jonathan Taylor, Michael Pittman. It's been a long time since I've gotten a gold out of these. Jake Luton, Jameis Winston, Certified Hurts, James Morgan. Jerry Jeudy, A.J. Brown, and we got a zebra. Washington. Sure you want to see this, Matthew? Antonio Gibson. And Gronk. Adam Thielen, Rodrigo, Turbocharge Adrian Peterson, Jerry Rice. You did. Van Jefferson, Devin Duvernay, Silver Hot Stars Drew Lock, and Isaiah Coulter. He's gotten Washington a lot of times in my breaks, and he's in Canada. And for some reason, eBay's saying I won't ship to Canada, even though I have global shipping on. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Palomalu, Kirk Cousins, Silver Antonio Gibson, Devin Duvernay. Tyler Johnson, LaVisca, Hot Stars Michael Thomas, Jerry Jeudy. Yeah, I've gone around the system, and because I think shipments on global shipping is like $25 per team. So I kind of work around the shipping there because it's pretty ridiculous. And I don't know if they caught on or what, but I don't know, for some reason. A.J. Brown, Julio Jones, Tony Gonzalez, and Devin Duvernay again. Tom Brady, Mahomes, Unbreakable Kurt Warner, Drew Brees. Box 3. Michael Pirine, Zeke, yeah, I'll show you in just one sec, George. Unbreakable Tony Gonzalez, and another Herbert. Here's the Washington hit. C.J. Ham, Brady, Silver Hot Stars Dak, and Lamar Jackson. Yetur Gross-Matos, J.J. Watt, Silver Jerry Rice, David Johnson, J.K. Dobbins, Malik Taylor, Certified Judy, T. Higgins. Brian Edwards, Claypool, Javon Kinlaw, been a while since I've seen Kinlaw, James Morgan. Josh Jacobs, Jonathan Taylor, Turbocharged Breeze, Antonio Gandy Golden. Jedrick Wills, Cy DeGuara, Hot Stars TJ Watt, and Gronk. Jacob Eason, Antonio Gandy Golden, Silver Noah, Jeff Okudah. Julio Jones, Jerry Jeudy, Unbreakable Terrell Davis, and Isaiah Coulter. Jayhawks 4141. Chase Young, Trevon Diggs, got a white Claypool, and Todd Gurley. All right, box 4. Yeah. Washington typically gets a lot of cards, but there are times where, I don't know, like any other break, like few and far between. Stafford, CJ Henderson, turbocharged Hurts, and Baker Mayfield. Bradley Chubb, Darrell Taylor, Hot Stars Aaron Donald, and Michael P. Ryan. Yeah, Bills usually have a lot of cards. Bills, Indy, Washington, a lot of times Denver, Kansas City typically has a lot. Austin Jackson, Trevon Diggs, Dallas usually has a lot. Silver Jerry Jeudy, and Troy Aikman. Jake Fromm, Thomas Davis, Unbreakable Montana, and Ed Reed. Let's see if it holds true. There will be a Ross Blacklock in this next pack. Christian McCaffrey, Brian Edwards, field level KJ Hamler, and there's the Ross Blacklock. AJ Dillon, Roethlisberger, certified T. Higgins, and DeAndre Swift. Larry Fitzgerald, Mariota, turbocharged Burrow, and J.K. Dobbins. Michael P. Ryan, Brandon Ayuk, Silver Alex Smith, Kurt Warner. CJ Ham, Raekwon Davis, Hot Stars Brady on the Bucks, and Brian Edwards. Yetur Gross-Matos, Derek Carr, Trevon Diggs, Daniel Jones. All right. Box 5. Working on the halfway point. Marlon Davidson, Jeff Okuda, Unbreakable Peyton Manning, and Justin Jefferson. Jonathan Taylor, CJ Henderson, Jonathan Taylor, John Elway. Stafford, Cam Akers, Certified A.J. Dillon, and Zach Moss. Yeah. Bradley Chubb. Here we go. Burrow field level. Turbocharged Edwards-Helaire. Emmanuel Sanders. Yeah, I like the whites. I like the whites more than the bronze that you get in the other megas. Done some of those. I can never remember which is which meaning which store. Austin Jackson, Darrell Taylor, Silver Jacob Eason, Dante Culpepper. Oh, nice. Yeah, but it's the same thing. You get 2 whites per box like the 2 bronze. But I agree, the numbered is cool. Jake Fromm, DK Metcalf, Hot Stars Drew Lock, Jason Huntley. McCaffrey, Brett Favre, White Michael Pirine, Kenneth Murray. Let's be in the group here real quick. A.J. Dillon, Brian Edwards, Unbreakable Tony Gonzalez, and CeeDee Lamb. Larry Fitzgerald, Brandon Ayuk, Certified Judy, and Saquon. Michael Pirine, DeAndre Swift, Silver Daniel Jones, and Jalen Hurts. Alright, halfway through, let me move these stacks around. Alright, box 6. There we go, got a Tua, Michael Thomas, Hot Stars McCaffrey, and Harrison Bryant. Lamar Jackson, Daniel Jones. There we go. A silver turbocharged Herbert. And Deshaun Watson. Justin Jefferson. T. Higgins. Silver Phillip Rivers. And Malcolm Perry. Went quite a while without seeing Malcolm Perry's and hit him in the last few boxes. Few breaks, I should say. Joe Montana. Troy Aikman. Breakable Breeze. DeAndre Swift. Ryan Tannehill. CeeDee Lamb. Emmanuel Sanders. Jerry Jeudy. Ben DiNucci. Dwayne Haskins. Certified J.K. Dobbins. And Zeke. CeeDee Lamb again. Julio Jones. Turbocharged Ruggs. KJ Hamler. Drew Brees. Cole Kmet. Nice. Silver Jefferson. David Montgomery. Antonio Gibson. Matt Ryan. Hot Stars Deshaun Watson. And Nick Chubb. J.J. Watt. Zeke. There we go. Got a white Mahomes. Gabriel Davis. All right, box 7. Jacob Eason. There you go. Got another Brady. Breakable Kurt Warner. And A.J. Dillon. Yeah, not too bad. Need to get a Jordan Love. I don't remember seeing him. Julio Jones. Denzel Mims. Silver Jake Fromm. And CeeDee Lamb. Yeah. As you say that, Chase Young. Antonio Gandy Golden. Certified LaVisca. And Baker Mayfield. Josh Allen. Claypool. Got a white Ayuk. And Michael P. Ryan. Joshua Kelly. Justin Jefferson. Got another turbocharged Herbert. Drew Brees. Cam Newton. There we go. That's what you get the Pats for. Field level purple Tom Brady. Hot Stars Aaron Rodgers. Ed Reed. Say it again. Ross Blacklock should be in the next pack. Patrick Queen. Antonio Gandy Golden. Silver Tyler Johnson. And field level Tua. Nice. I was wrong. Blacklock usually follows Ed Reed. It's been a while since we've seen an autograph, so we're due. Sam Darnold. There we go. Not a bad first Jordan Love. Breakable Brady for the Pats. And there's the Ross Blacklock. Jordan Fuller. Lawrence Taylor. White Joe Montana. Antonio Gibson. Gardner Minshew. LaVisca. Certified Edwards-Helaire. And J.K. Dobbins. All right, box 8. Drew Brees, Leighton Vander Esch, Hot Star Zeke, McCaffrey, Antonio Gibson, A.J. Dillon, Antonio Gandy Golden, Michael Thomas. And J.J. Watt. There you go. Got another Mahomes. Unbreakable Ray Lewis. And Chase Young. Jeff Okudah, C.J. Henderson, Certified Claypool, Larry Fitzgerald. Here we go. Finally, a Herbert, J.J. Watt, Silver Jordan Fuller, Grant Delpit. I know, it's like every Redskin possible is coming out. Mahomes, Emmitt Smith, Turbocharged Dion, Joshua Kelly. T. Higgins, Darrell Taylor. Got another zebra. No really slow rolling that. Khalil Mack, Cam Newton. There's the Khalil Mack. Sam Darnold, Jonathan Taylor, Hot Stars Bosa, J.K. Dobbins. Jordan Fuller, KJ Hamler, Randy Moss, Unbreakable, and Noah. Gardner Minshew, Brian Edwards, Silver Brandon Cooks, Jacob Eason. That real quick. All right, final two. Palomalu, Brett Favre, Hot Stars Khalil Mack, and Russell Wilson. A.J. Brown, Daniel Jones, breakable Jerry Rice, and Chase Young. Tyler Johnson, Nick Chubb, silver Anthony McFarland, and field level Mahomes. That one doesn't come out too often for me. Brady, Bryan Edwards, certified Pittman, and Larry Fitzgerald. Zeke, DeAndre Swift, Jordan Fuller, and Pittman. Jalen Reagor, Mike Evans, turbocharged Tua, Joshua Kelly, Nick Chubb, Jordan Fuller, Hot Stars Brady for the Pats, and Cam Newton. Antonio Gandy Golden, Gabriel Davis, silver Van Jefferson, Jerry Rice, there's been a few, nothing crazy, but there's been a few CD. Juju, Leighton Vander Esch, breakable Emmitt Smith, and Noah. Joe Reed, Austin Jackson, Drew Brees, Lawrence Taylor, all right, last box. Last hope for an auto and another zebra. And Derek Brown, Jedrick Wills, silver unbreakable Peyton Manning, Jerry Rice. Oops, had one of the breaks. It was 3 autos and 2 zebras. It was crazy. Tua, Zach Moss, Hot Star Zeke, Gabriel Davis, Lamar Jackson, Baker Mayfield, Zach Moss White, and Zach Moss. What do you mean, how long was that break? You talking about those cards and stuff? All of these have been around, if that's what you're talking about, all of these have been around 45 minutes or so. Justin Jefferson, Gardner Minshew, Breakable Ray Lewis. Oh, how long ago? Sorry. Yeah, about a week. Cortland Sutton. Joe Montana, Jared Goff, Certified Claypool, Trevon Diggs, Ryan Tannehill, Jason Witten, Silver Dak, Kenneth Murray, Ben DiNucci, KJ Hamler, Turbocharged Dion, and Edwards-Helaire. Here's a CD. Cole Kmet, Jameis Winston, Randy Moss, Drew Brees. There we go. Got a Tua. Hot Stars Nick Bosa, Jalen Hurts. Pretty good pack. All right, last pack. Antonio Gibson, Isaiah Simmons, Breakable Randy Moss, and Zach Moss. All right, I'll just do a pretty quick recap here for you. It's going to be a lot of the same names, just because I do the bigger names during the break just to save a little bit of time. Tua, Jalen Hurts, Justin Jefferson, Tua, Zach Moss, Drew Brees, Gabriel Davis, Hot Stars Brady, Tua Turbocharged, Brady, Mahomes Field Level, Jonathan Taylor, Mahomes, Justin Herbert, Mahomes, Laviska, Jordan Love, Breakable Brady for the Pats, Tua Field Level, Brady, Justin Jefferson, Herbert Turbocharged, Claypool, Ayuk, Tom Brady, Mahomes, Cole Kmet, Justin Jefferson Silver, CeeDee Lamb, Justin Jefferson, Silver Turbocharged Herbert, Tua, DeAndre Swift, Hurts, Joe Burrow Field Level, Cam Akers, Jonathan Taylor White, Jefferson, Hot Stars Brady for the Bucks, Ayuk, Turbocharged Burrow, Turbocharged Hurts, Claypool, Jerry Jeudy, Jonathan Taylor, Claypool, Brady, Herbert, Brady, Mahomes, Laviska, Certified Hurts, Jefferson, DeAndre Swift, Tua, J.K. Dobbins, Antonio Gibson, Turbocharged Herbert, Mahomes, Herbert, and then the two zebras, Khalil Mack, and Antonio Gibson. Whew. Alrighty. Well, as I mentioned earlier, this is the last of the select I have right now. I'm going to hopefully try to get some more here in the next couple days. But appreciate everybody joining in, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night.